back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abiola. Please, if you are new to our YouTube channel and you've not subscribed, kindly do so. It is free, totally free. And we want to appreciate those that have subscribed so far, and for your likes, your comments, for encouraging us, for your motivation. We say thank you. God bless you. So today's prayer shall be the making of this beautiful gown with drapes. So we are going to be draping through slash and spread. Very, very easy. You know, when I say it's easy, it is so easy. So what you want to do is to draft your basic gown as shown, and then you want to do it on fold because of the drape. So if you don't know how to draft a basic gown, I have made a very detailed tutorial on that. I will just drop the link in the description box so that you can flow along with us. So the neckline I did here is a square neckline, not round as usual, because of the style line we are working with. So what you want to do, what I have here is 3 by 3. For the width, 3 inches. For the depth, 3 inches. And I make it square. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is, I want to alter. You can leave this. If 3 inches is okay by you, but I want to alter it to 4 inches. So from here, I will just mark 1 inch. I'll still align with my marker so that we can see 1 inch. Then I'll extend this to by my 1 inch so that I can get a straight line. And this, I'll also do the same thing to the other side. This is me altering the neckline to 4 by 4 because I don't want it to be too high for me. So let me just use my marker to trace out so that you can all see what I am doing. So that's the neckline, 4 by 4. So another thing we want to do, the step 2 of it, is to make a straight line, because we are going to be cutting out this side as shown in the picture we are trying to replicate. So as a guideline, so that I can have a straight line, I'll just measure what I have from this fold here. This is my center front. So this other side is 4 inches. So that I will mark the 4 inch. This is so that I can have a straight line, 4 inch, till I get to the end, 4 inch. Then I will connect with my straight ruler. Can you see? So simple. Then step 3 is to alter this neckline again. So from these 4 inches, you can measure your cleavage depth. Cleavage depth is how much you want to reveal from your neck bone. So from these 4 inches, I can just do 2 inches or 1.5. If I am coming down by 1.5 from this my 4 inches, that means my total neck depth is 5.5. And if I'm coming down by 2 inches, that means the total neck depth is 6 inches. I hope you understand. So I will just do 1.5. That is 5.5. So I'll connect it to this neck bit here. You can see the reason why you can't do this. Make it single and such. You have to. Sorry. You know I extended this by 1 inch. So this is no longer my neck width. This is my neck width. So I will extend it to that side. So can you see? So the next thing for us to do now is to cut out. We need to cut out this, then this. So let's do that. see what we have. Let me see. That's exactly what we have in the picture we are trying to replicate. So another thing now, to achieve the drape now, you need to do a slash and spread. And like I said, it is very, very easy. So now the number of lines you have now depends on the drape you want. So if you do slash line 4, automatically you have your drape to be in 4. So now this waistline is number 1 of it. This is my waistline, is my number 1 line. So from this waistline, and how wide you want it to be depends on you. Let me just do 1 inch. 1 inch. Then from this side to 1 inch, I'll still align with my marker. 1 inch. That is 1 inch, 1 inch. Then at the side here, from the waistline here, since this one is 1 inch, I can do 2 inches or 1.5 apart. 1.5. 1.5. 1.5. Can we see? Now let me connect. So I'm connecting this one to meet this line. This to meet this. Can we see our line? So if you still want more slash lines, you can still go ahead to the hip line. You can see, so let it, if you want it to get to your bust point, it's fine. But this is just okay for me. And because this is where the drape will be, so we are going to slash through this place and stop somewhere there. We're not going to slash it all through. Just follow me. I'll just leave like 0.25. So the next thing now is for me to bring the plain paper and spread. So let me quickly get my plain paper. Okay guys, so I have gotten a plain paper and I've placed this on the plain paper. Now we want to spread. The spreading depends on how much you want, or how you want the drape to go, or if you have enough fabric, you can spread as much as you like. So I will just be doing maybe 1.5, or I'll do 2 inches. Yes, 2 inches. 2 inches is fine. I'll just place my 2 inches like this. I'll take it down. Then from there, I'll mark another 2 inches from here. Mark another 2 inches. Place this and take down. Mark another 2 inches. So I can still take down and down, or just leave it like that. Then another 2 inches. Yeah. Can you see? Then I'll come here and take, excuse me, and take all these ones down. So, and take it down as much as you can. So what I want to do now is to extend. I'll extend these lines. So I can just do something like this. I'll tell you the reason why I am doing this. Okay, so the next thing for us to do now is to start folding. Can you see? We're taking this, overlap this. It is a paper, so it is expected for it to be like stiff. But once you do it on the fabric, it will just lay flat for you. Then the last one. Okay. Can you see our drape? Then the last one. This last one will mark here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. So you can do more than this. Can you see? So beautiful. So this lace is like this because it's a paper. So I'll just open it up now and then I'll try to explain some things to us. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have pleated it, so we need to cut out. And it's our drapes, so beautiful. So the next thing for us to do now, if we bring back this, can you see? It's aligning. Wow, perfect. So remember there is a band. Yes, on the style line there is a band. So go ahead and cut the bands. The length of the bands will be this. Just measure what you have there. Yeah, I have like let's say 35 inches. Yes, I have 35 inches here. So I will cut the width, the length to the 35 inches. Then the width depends on what you want. How wide you want it to be, it's optional. So I'll just go ahead now, cut the band, then I'll show us. Okay guys, so I have gone ahead to cut my band. This is the band. So tips for joining. What you want to do when you want to transfer to your fabric, please open it up. Open up this pleats. Spread it. Let it be spread as before we start sewing. Before we start pleating, like this. Open it up. And then let everything be spread open. Yes, that is the word. Let everything be spread open. Then transfer to your fabric and pleat it back. Once you pleat it back, just make a stitch down so that you can hold down the pleats. Attach this to it. Then the best material for fabric to use for this is a stretchy fabric, because when we drafted the basic gown, it is a darkless gown. So I didn't have any that. So you should use a stretchy fabric so that it can fit your body very well. So that's all. about it. Place this on it, attach it. Once you are done, remember there's a slit there. Open up the slit, attach your bands, and you are done. Can you see? Like this, and you are done. And we've come to the end of this wonderful, beautiful tutorial. I hope you learned something good. Please like, share our video, and comment. Anytime you want me to illustrate, do a video or a tutorial on, kindly say it in the comment section. I still remain your girl, Abiola. Bye for now.